Upbeat, engaging tone. Hey there, investors! Today I've got some exciting news about a major player in the crypto and tech world. Buckle up because we're diving into MicroStrategy's big leap into the Nasdaq 100 and how it's shaking things up in the Bitcoin market. First things first, MicroStrategy, a software company turned Bitcoin behemoth, has officially joined the ranks of the Nasdaq 100. This news sent their stock soaring by 6% in pre-market trading on December 18, 2023. Now you might be wondering, why is this such a big deal? Well, let's break it down. MicroStrategy isn't just any software company, they hold a staggering $44 billion worth of Bitcoin. That's about 2% of the total Bitcoin supply. By joining the Nasdaq 100, they're giving the index indirect exposure to Bitcoin. It's like a backdoor entry for Bitcoin into one of the most prestigious stock indices. Now let's talk numbers. MicroStrategy's stock has skyrocketed nearly 550% in 2023, mirroring Bitcoin's impressive price surge. They've more than doubled their Bitcoin holdings this year, using a mix of equity and debt deals. It's a bold move that's paying off big time. Here's something interesting. Matthew Dibb, CIO at Astronaut Capital, suggests that this inclusion could create a looping cycle of capital. How does that work? Well, funds that track the Nasdaq 100 will buy MicroStrategy stock, which drives up its price. That, in turn, gives MicroStrategy more capital to buy even more Bitcoin. It's a fascinating cycle that could have significant impacts. Speaking of impacts, let's not forget about ETFs. The Invesco QQQ Trust, the largest ETF tracking the Nasdaq 100 with $322 billion in assets, will now be indirectly exposed to Bitcoin through its MicroStrategy holdings. This is huge. It means that a massive amount of capital is now indirectly linked to Bitcoin, potentially increasing its legitimacy and demand. But it's not all rosy. Despite these gains, MicroStrategy reported a net loss of $340 million in Q3 2023, marking their third consecutive quarterly loss. Yet, their market cap has soared past $100 billion, more than double the value of their Bitcoin holdings. It's a testament to the high stakes and high rewards of their Bitcoin strategy. Lastly, let's round out the picture with some context. Alongside MicroStrategy, Palantir and Axon Enterprise also joined the Nasdaq 100, replacing Illumina, Supermicro, and Moderna. This reshuffling shows the dynamic nature of the market and highlights new growth opportunities. In conclusion, MicroStrategy's entry into the Nasdaq 100 is more than just a milestone for the company. It's a significant event for the broader crypto market and traditional finance. It's going to be fascinating to see how this unfolds and what it means for Bitcoin's future. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest in finance and investment. See you in the next video.